How to log in Kroger credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you log into your Kroger credit card online. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Kroger credit card. After you search for that, at the first, you can simply find the official site of Kroger Mastercard. Simply tap on the URL krogermastercard.com. After you are in the section, you'll have to scroll down and look for the option for login to online banking. Simply tap on that. And from the section, you'll have to provide your username and password here. Once you have provided or entered correct username or password, tap on the option login. If you have forgotten your username or password, tap on the option forgot username or password. After you tap on that, from there you can also recover. After that, you'll be able to log in or sign into your Kroger credit card online. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.